The Scentsy Custom Gift Program is so exciting to me. The possibilities are endless, and I am really excited about the ideas of companies, going to companies and allowing them to put their own logo on one of our custom warmers.
I actually never thought this would happen. Knowing how long the lead times are to make warmers, and now we can move a warmer for a company in 30 days. Now they can use our tool to market their business, and we get the benefit of that.
What I'm really excited about too is how simple that Scentsy has made it for the people who want to order these custom family gifts. It's just a 5-step simple, click on an order and it walks you through it.
And it's right off your PWS, so it's no new tools. They're not looking for a whole new website to learn.
And their logo and their artwork is saved in their system, so that in the future they can go in when they need 24 more, or 48, even better. The artwork's saved. They don't have to recreate that every time, which becomes a really simple process for them.
It's just a fabulous idea, and the fact that our customers can actually design it themselves is amazing.
And I'm excited about the 3 bars that are only available for this program, the Thank You, the Enjoy, and the Happy Holidays.
And the addition of the gift certificate for the bar with the next order, that is going to help us reach a whole bunch of new customers.
Well, and that automatically gives you 24 new customers right off the bat.
Absolutely.
Because of its simplicity, you really don't need more than maybe 2 or 3 minutes, 5 at the most, to show somebody what this is all about. Corporations or other organizations, they need in and out, they need the information, and as you go in, be respectful of their time, take just a couple of minutes, and you're on your way. Well, and it doesn't even have to be big corporations. It can be the local salon. It can be somebody that you know that happens to be in another small business of their own.
I'm really excited for the fundraising options that we have. I can think of just a dozen organizations that I already work with by doing Scentsy fundraisers every year. So with a choir that I work with, all those choir parents are going to want to have one of these warmers with the logo. We can actually help them raise funds through the sale of these warmers and their specially designed frames.
Well, fundraisers are going to be a huge thing. Being able to go out to those schools that we don't have collegiate warmers for and being able to offer this to them.
And if we think about family reunions, this is going to be a great opportunity for families to remember this event. School reunions where you may have the school logo and what year reunion it is.
I think about weddings and think about all of that stress of getting everything planned, and then you have to come up with gifts for all the people that are involved in your wedding. What an amazing thing for a Scentsy consultant to come in, bring this awesome gift to offer that you can customize and give the people that help you with your wedding.
So when we talk about events, and you need centerpieces for your tables, right? So this warmer is great because it comes off the base and can sit without the cord as a centerpiece.
Well, it's a very sleek design. This is going to be an amazing opportunity for anybody who wants to jump into it.
So do you guys realize what the opportunity is with our business growth and our commissions? If we have just one of these orders, we're going to have $1,200 sale right there. And if we double that, so if we have a 48 warmer order, there's $2,400, and that bumps our commission up to 30%.
That's over $700 in commission just with those 2 orders. But that will not replace our parties. That just boosts up the business that we already receive at parties. I spent just a few minutes sitting down, and in a few minutes I came up with a list of about 30 people that I'm ready to go contact. And I mean, it really will increase business.
Especially when we go into fall, when we're always saying this is going to be a great fall because of all the new things that Scentsy comes out with. They're expecting new things from us.
Right.
And now it's not just another newly designed warmer, it's a whole new concept.
I can't wait. I'm like ready to go now. Let's get out the door and do this.
Yeah,
This is
yeah,
so
Can you
awesome.
share your list with me?